At Brossard Leasing, we're specializing in short-term and long-term leasing. We have more than 3,600 units. We have 150 employees, which has approximately 80 employees in the garage. What I like the most about MIR is the system is flexible and adaptable to our needs. Over the years, we've requested multiple modifications of the system, and Datadis was able to follow our pace. We've been using the MIR system for more than 15 years, and the business relationship has always been excellent.
What I like the most about MIR is user-friendly. It's easy to use. Every single department in our company is, as a matter of fact, it's part of our company now. Either parts, service, road service, everybody use it. And even though the new guys, it takes them a short of time to learn how to use it, and everything is just a click away.
What I like the most about MIR, it's a platform that is very flexible, easy to use, be able to look at our fleet, our equipment, our maintenances that are due on trailers, tractors, and straight body trucks. It permits us to validate and verify our fleet inventory, the physical location of the trailers or equipment, and it also permits us to work with our maintenance department and assign vehicles to the proper maintenance and also lease the equipment available to the customers. MIR permits us to manage our daily inspections on our vehicles, our safety inspections. So on a day-to-day basis, all of our drivers report their safety inspections on either their tablet or their phone. It permits us to manage the out of services, minors or majors. We're also able to manage on a day-to-day basis all of our fleet.
In a fast-moving environment where our customers are requiring from us the best, we have to have access to the information. We have to move fast. We have to learn. We have to understand. And I don't see any other system better than MIR. So the question is, if I do recommend MIR, what are you waiting for?
At Brossard Leasing, we operate 24/7. So when we need help with the system, it's important that they're there for us when we call. No matter what time of the day we call, there's always someone to answer the call, even during the weekends. I highly recommend the MIR system for multiple reasons. They have the best support team, they have the best integration team, and they definitely have the best system on the market. And above all, they really want us to succeed with the system.